my lecture topic is carbon farming. So I would like to introduce carbon farming by saying some disadvantages of the climate change. Basically, there are several types of greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide currently present in the atmosphere. So carbon farming is that to eradicate that all gases from the atmosphere and to use that carbon element in the soil. That is a sustainable use of carbon farming, because at the end, if all the essential products of the globe or all the organic things or all the living organisms, the basic element is carbon. The soil is made of carbon, all the eatable things are of carbon. Everywhere the carbon is present. So basically the aim of carbon farming is to take out the carbon element from the atmosphere and put it in the soil. So there are several techniques in carbon farming. We can do grassland protection, we can do forest reservation, we can also do zero tillage farming, we can also do crop rotation, and we can also protect many big grasslands. So from that, we are basically, with the help of photosynthesis, we are taking out the carbon element from the atmosphere, which will reduce the depletion of the ozone layer, as well as which will uplift the economy. Because as we all have seen that in the COVID-19, the economy of the world got increased because the ecology was perfect at that time. So in the upliftment of the economy of any country, if the ecology is good, then only the country can be uplifted in several dynamic directions. So there are several benefits and advantages of carbon farming too. So first of all, a small grass can contribute to eradicate the bad elements or the greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. So we do not have to think that it's a small process, but it's a process which will last longer. Because if all the countries' governments think that we should focus on carbon farming and implement it very perfectly, then the world, not a single country, that the world will equally contribute to the good for the climate change. Like for example, the Greta Thunberg. She is also fighting for the climate change from several years. And currently the biggest issue of the world is the climate change, and as well as the depletion of the ozone layer and also the global warming. So at the end, I would like to conclude that if all the countries will contribute to the carbon farming, like the protection of the forest, protection of the greenlands, and doing the farming with the sustainable things, then the carbon farming is the most advantageous thing